It is reported from Hazrat Amr bin Taghlib, some goods, booty or prisoners were brought to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that he distributed and gave someone something and left some people without granting them anything. The news came to him that the people who had not been granted with anything were unhappy. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and then said, to proceed, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I bestowed a thing on a person and did not bestow anything on the other, whereas the person whom I did not give anything is dearer to me than the one whom I gave something. I gave them the goods in whose hearts I observed impatience and avidity, and left the other people with content and goodness which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has placed in their hearts, and Amr bin Taghlib is one of them. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, this saying of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about me is dearer to me than the red camels. Yunus corroborated him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 923.